Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
This video is about solving an equation where you need to combine like terms. This video is about combining like terms. Like terms have the same variable and the same exponent. So here you can see all of the greens are x's, but the blue underlined x squared are different. They're not like terms to the x. They have to have the same variable and exponent. We're going to solve equations that have to have combining like terms in them. So the steps for this is first, we're going to start off by distributing. When you distribute, make sure you distribute the number and the sign that's in front of the parenthesis. Then we will combine like terms on the left-hand side, and then separately combine like terms on the right-hand side, undo addition and subtraction, and then undo multiplication and division. So let's take a look at our first example. We do not have to do any distributing here since we don't have parentheses, so we'll go to step number 2 where we combine like terms. Our like term would be 11m and negative 6m. Again, I'm including the sign when I combine. So I can put this in my calculator, 11 plus negative 6, and I get 5m. The minus 8, the equal sign, and the 22 come down. Now we're going to undo the subtraction. The inverse operation is addition, so we're adding 8 to both sides. Negative 8 plus 8 is a 0 pair. 5m is equal to 30. This is 5 multiplied by m, so we'll undo the multiplication using the inverse operation of division, and m is equal to 6. Like any equation you can solve, you can always check it after you solve. Here you would have to plug it in 2 times. 11m minus 8 minus 6m is equal to 22. We could figure out what this is in our calculator, and we're asking, does it equal 22? It does, so our answer is correct. I encourage you to always check your answers by plugging them back into your calculator. Let's take a look at this example. Here we again have distributing. We didn't have that in the first problem, and when we distribute the number and the sign. I'm also going to make my invisible math visible by putting a 1 here. I distribute the negative 3. We get 7x minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 6. Now we have our like terms, 7x and minus 3x. So we're going to combine those together, and we get 4x plus 9 is equal to 6. Solving this is just a 2-step equation, so we use our inverse operations. Inverse of multiplication, and here we get x is equal to negative 3/4, or you could write it as negative 0.75. That's how you solve a 2-step equation where you have to combine like terms.
This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.